Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Jura dabat legesque viris, operumque laborem, partibus aequabat justis aut sorte trahebat, cum subito Aeneas concursu accedere magno, antea segestum videt fortemque cloantum, teucrorum qualios ater quos aequore turbo, dispulerat penitus qualis avexerat oras. Now remember, the subject here is going to be Dido for Dabat, because she was the subject of the previous lines, so it's implied that she's the subject here. Dido was giving laws and ordinances to the men, and she was equally distributing both the work and the labor into just parts, into fair parts, or she was drawing it out by lot. When suddenly Aeneas catches sight, or when suddenly Aeneas sees that Antheus and Sergestus and brave Cloanthus and the other men of the Trojans approached in a great crowd, whom a black whirlpool had scattered on the sea, and had carried them far away to other shores. So this part is talking about what Dido is doing. She's up on her throne in the temple, and she's equally distributing the work for the city to different overseers and men, and whenever she can't do it equally, she does it by lot. I want to point out that sortition comes from this Latin word here, quite clearly, and sortition is just the practice of sort of doing a lottery to distribute work or positions or anything. So it's just random. It's by lot, or like a lottery, just like drawing lots. When suddenly Aeneas sees, so what do we have here? What grammatical form do we have whenever we have accusative subjects, a verb of thinking, saying, seeing, and an infinitive main verb? Yes, we have an indirect statement. He sees that Antheus and Sergestus and brave Cloanthus and the other allies of the Trojans approach in a great multitude. Clearly an indirect statement here. We got all the elements needed for that. And remember teucrorum, teucri, that is another word for Trojan. So just translate it as Trojans or Teucrians, whom, this is referring to all those Trojans, all those men, whom a black whirlpool scattered on the sea, ablative of place where, and had carried away to other shores, far off, or deeply. So Aeneas, he's still in his cloud, I believe. He's just watching everything going on, but he has not revealed himself. And he is just watching, and now he sees, oh joy, my allies, my friends, they're alive, because he doesn't know this. They were scattered in that storm, so he's just like, yes, I'm so glad that my friends are alive and they're approaching Queen Dido. So maybe now he's a little bit nervous. He's not sure what's going to happen when they approach this foreign queen. And so he's just watching in anticipation.